joined now by attorney Joe McCulloch. Joe, we've been sitting in this courtroom for 5 weeks, pretty much 23 days together. We've heard all of this testimony to this point, but your takeaways today as Alex Murdaugh takes the stand.
Well, I think some in the gallery, I guess, believe he deserves an Academy Award. Some believe he's a true victim. The question is what the jury believes, and I thought my impression as a lawyer, having done this for decades, is that was a very solid, believable presentation by the accused, which is the toughest part of any trial like this. They hit the high spots, they hit the points that are most troubling to those on the jury who are paying attention through these many weeks. And that's a problem in and of itself. This afternoon's beginning of the cross was all about that which I think the jury right now could vote unanimously guilty. Right. Guilty of being a thief. It's perplexing why they spent the whole afternoon on financial crimes to prove over and over again that he is dishonest.
Well, I want to ask you, because, Brendan and I talked about it. Once we got to the state's portion of this afternoon, and we talked about this in the court, June 7th, the murders never mentioned for more than an hour and a half, if not 2 hours. I mean, what does that do for the state's case? Well,
it doesn't advance the state's case. I mean, they've proven that conclusively that he is a thief and that he is capable of lying. Today, he was believable in his denials, at least to many people I spoke with. And I think they're going to have to get back to June 7 and get back to murder. This is a murder trial. It's not a trial of the financial crimes. If they want to do that, they had the chance to do that. They've had a year to do that.
Quickly, they brought up the high-velocity blood spatter on Alex's shirt this morning. You and I kind of looked at each other. I mean, how does that play out moving forward?
Well, it may not matter to this jury if indeed during the selection process they accurately represented that they didn't really have information. But everybody in the universe knows that the first theory of the prosecution was that he was covered in a blood-spattered shirt, which put him right at the scene. And then that shirt, when that tide turns against him on that evidence issue, suddenly he's taking it to the cleaners. And, if that gets up in front of this jury, it might take the prosecution to the cleaners.
We got 4 more hours tomorrow morning. Anything that you would say could be on the table when we get there?
Well, 4 more hours is optimistic, but we do have more cross. Hopefully they're going to move from the financial crimes into why he is a murderer and how they're going to prove it.
All right, Joe, thank you so much. We want to send it back to the studios in Mount Pleasant. Aaron